Like many others, I too did engineering, but now I work in the music industry. And yes, my parents were initially very skeptical, but now they couldn't be more proud. My stage name is Zulex, and I'm a student from Law Stories Academy. So, my parents always wanted me to do engineering, but I knew deep inside that I always wanted to do music. While doing engineering, I was doing a lot of shows in and around my college because I'd learned how to DJ before going to college. But then I realized that I wanted to do more and wanted to make my own music and ask more of myself as an artist. And that is why I decided to join Law Stories Academy right after completing my engineering. We got to learn so much more than just music production. I've also got to learn how to mix and master my tracks, how to market our music for social media, the business aspect of things, learning how to read the contracts and stuff. Learning all of this totally broadened my horizon, and now I have the confidence to go into the music industry. It's all because of the value that Law Stories Academy provided me. If you're unsure whether to take the leap in the music industry and whether things will work out, I definitely suggest joining Law Stories Academy, and it will be a total game changer for you.